In this video, I will show you how to join channel membership on YouTube. What you can do is simply open up your YouTube, then in the search bar search for the channel where you want to buy a membership. From there click on View Channel. Now if the join channel is available in your country, then right beside the subscribe button you will find the join button. You'll have to simply click on it. From there a pop-up menu bar will appear. There you can choose the membership plan, then simply put in your credit card information and then buy the membership. If it's not available in your country, then you will not be able to see the join option. Or what you can also do is go to Chrome or any web browser, search for YouTube, then go to youtube.com. From here search for the YouTuber and click on the view profile, and there you might be able to find join button on the web version. And that's it. If you think this video is helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.